Jared,
Hello? Who's there?
it's time. Jared.
So I was sitting
God,
around
Oh my
talking
gosh.
to a guy, and it was
What
really
is
funny.
you reading?
It was
That's so funny.
You again.
Yeah, totally. And it was
That's
totally
an
just
understatement.
stupid. Like,
Hey, have any
what
of you
the
guys
heck?
seen Jared today?
No.
No.
No, man.
You know, it's a real shame, guys. Every day that you're either late or not here is something new you've missed.
Yeah.
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 So
You
I was
guys
watching
hear about
Jersey
Stan
Shore.
Darsh
That
the other
reality
day?
show?
Yeah,
No, I didn't
the
hear
one with the
anything.
guys
Wait,
in the
who's
hair
Stan
and
Darsh
the
anyways?
tanning all the time. It was so stupid.
Was
So, have any of you
it?
guys seen Jared or Travis today?
I called Jared yesterday, but he never really answered, so I don't really know where he's at.
Alright, class. Well, there is no lesson today, so just go ahead and break into your projects, and I'll come around and check on you guys.
Alright, I'm out of here.
Hey, Mr. Bowers, can I go use the restroom?
Don't fall in.
Okay. Hey, I'm still in here! This doll's taken.
Hey, whoa, I was listening to that. Why'd you stop it?
You ever get the feeling like something's wrong sometimes?
Yeah, kinda.
I just got a weird feeling, man. Just be careful.
Alright.
Hey guys, class is over, just in case you didn't hear the bell, but have any of you guys seen Blake?
No, not since earlier.
Did he not come back from the bathroom earlier?
I haven't seen him. Just keep a lookout for him. If you see him, just let me know.
Alright, Mr. Bowers.
You guys have a good day.
You too. Alright, man. Well, I gotta go catch a bus, so...
Alright, man.
Think you could wrap this
Yeah,
up?
I got this. See you tomorrow, man.
Alright, thanks, man.
That's the countdown.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yep.
Yeah, it's still ticking along. Yeah, that's cool.
Good time. Oh, people miss
I don't know
it,
what to say.
yeah.
So it seems like Brandon's gone today too. Oh, by the way, class, Taylor brought these fantastic looking cupcakes. How do they taste?
Good.
Maybe I'll try one myself. The rest of the guys gonna get a cupcake?
No, I'm fine.
Alright, well, while you guys are enjoying your cupcakes, I'm gonna lecture. Our ears adjust to the decibel levels, like our eyes adjust to the light.
Mr. Bowers?
Bowers.
Bowers.
What, what's going on?
Mr. Bowers.
Mr. Bowers.
Are you gonna turn the lights back on?
Turn the
you
lights back
alright?
on.
Is
It's
this a
not
part of
funny.
the lesson? Mr. Bowers.
Mr. Bowers, don't be heartless.
okay.
You know Leia's afraid of the dark.
Yeah, it's not funny.
Mr. Bowers.
Okay, that's enough.
Yo, B-Dog. Yo, man, stop playing around.
Are we conserving energy here?
Mr. Bowers.
Are you alright?
Yeah, man, you alright?
Or did our powers just run out?
Oh my god.
Mr. Bowers?
Who would do this? Wait a second, guys. Taylor isn't here.
Oh my gosh, he brought the cupcakes. What if he drugged them?
I don't think we can handle this. We need to call the cops.
You guys are right.
What? No service? Are you kidding me?
Me either.
I have the best service in the freaking world right here. Come on!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, oh my gosh!
I just can't believe we all don't have service. How's that possible?
This kind of crap only happens in the movies. I'm getting out of here. I suggest you all do the same.
Curtis is right, guys. We really need to get out of here.
Guys, I don't know if I can take this.
There is definitely something in the cupcake.
Get away from me!
Did you eat any of the cupcakes? Did you?
Yeah?
You're not gonna push me away, are you?
I want to get out of here alive.
Alright. Well. That's the last we'll see of Mr. Bowers.
It's not working.
What was that?
I suggest you all do the same. Hey, man. I thought we were friends. So are we cool, Taylor?
No.
We seriously need to get out of here.
Tell me about it.
You take care of Garrett and Leah, and I'll take care of what's mine.
Right.
Frankie, are you running from me? Frankie, don't hide from me. I just want to play. I found you, girl. Hey, baby, why were you running from me?
Please, please
I just
don't kill
wanted
me.
to tell you I love you before we part ways.
We're almost there. Don't worry. Son of a monkey. Yeah. Crap. Oh crap. This'll do.
Oh my god.
I wonder where she is. Tramp.
You letting her get away?
Tramp hit me.
Well, do your job.
Eat lead! Whoa.
We need to get out of here.
That's an understatement.
Where's the exit?
It's over here.
Looks like you chose the
Oh,
wrong
fuck.
exit.
Faster! Before I kill you, why'd you do it?
For the joy of it all.
I think we now.
That's an understatement.
You really don't have to do this.
This has been a fun game, but seriously, I'm gonna have to kill you.
What?
Brandon! I thought you were dead. Ow. Why'd you shoot next to my ear?
Don't you think we should get out of here?
Class dismissed. Oh, you know what, guys? I gotta get something I forgot.
Alright. So, how's Chinese sound?
Pretty good.
Did you get the job done?
I did. You got the money?
Get rid of all the loose ends?
I did.
Alright.
All but one.